Let's ruin a bike.
Check us out on other platforms.
So, hopefully we won't ruin a bike. So I have a major problem with my Giant e-bike. Let me show you. You see, the problem with the bike is the location of the bottle cage bolts. Well, they suck. As you can see, at least on a size medium frame, and I imagine on a size small frame, it doesn't fit. So we got to find another option for the bottle cage.
Luckily, I think I have an answer. So the answer is called a threaded insert. This is just like a rivet gun, but it inserts threads into in this case, a frame. So the way this works is you would drill a hole in the frame, wherever you want to put it, and these little inserts go in. And what happens is, as you use that rivet gun, it crushes it down and allows it to basically look just like those. So let's start drilling and see if this works. You thought I was gonna do it, didn't you? Luckily, I have a test bike. I have an inexpensive bike that's just been sitting on my shelf that came in a package deal with my Specialized. This Schwinn has just been hanging here since I got my Specialized. It's also aluminum, so it should react the same way. And hopefully it'll allow us to find out if this actually works before I ruin my nice bike.
So for just testing purposes, I'm just going to pick a random spot, drill a hole, and let's see if it works. Alright, then we just squeeze the heck out of this and then unthread it. Alright, that looks like we have a threaded insert in there. Let's see if a bottle cage bolt works with it like it's supposed to. There we go. So that proves that we can do it.
Now for the scary part. Let's do it on our expensive bike. Okay, after some figuring out how I'm going to mount this, the plan is we're going to drill the holes right here and put our bottle cage on the down tube.
All right, we have our first hole marked. It's right there. You can't really probably see it on camera, but it's there. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to work our way up from the smallest drill bit all the way to our actual size. This just kind of helps prevent it from getting torn up. Takes longer, but it ensures a much nicer job. All right, we now have our hole. Let's put the threaded insert in. All right. There we go. There's the first one. Now let's install the second one. All right, now we have our two threads. Let's install a new bottle cage. There we go.
We now have a usable bottle cage. So hopefully this is a usable hack for those people with the same problem as me, that you can't fit a bottle cage on your bike. So now, problem solved. I'll see you next time. Check us out on other platforms.